Hello, in this video I want to show you how to open photo mode in Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. And to do this we have a few different options. First one is by default you can press on P on your keyboard to open a photo mode. Then next option is to press on escape or go back to your menu, and there's a photo mode here as well. Now let's check if it's available for controllers. We're gonna go for the options, controls, then a controller scheme, and then we can look for the photo mode. But sadly, as you can see, there's no photo mode available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.